Welcome to this video on Easy Single Touch Payroll, or STP. This solution streamlines Australian payroll reconciliation, reporting and compliance within SAP. What is Easy STP? It is a native SAP integration, meaning no external data warehouses are needed, offers per pay period reporting and reconciliation of any information which will be sent to the ATO. It works across both concurrent and non-concurrent employment. It is also Phase 2 ready, ensuring compliance with the latest legislation. Let's take a look. Single Touch Payroll, or STP, is a mandatory compliance requirement for all employers paying employees in Australia. It requires the submission of year-to-date information, specifically gross tax and other pay data, to the Australian Taxation Office at the end of every payroll period. Compliance is non-negotiable, but standard SAP lacks the native ability to reconcile this data before it is transmitted to the ATO. This is where Easy STP comes into play. To ensure we meet every client's needs, our solution is fully compliant with both concurrent and non-concurrent employment models. Within the solution, you'll find an organized folder structure containing several configuration reports. These are designed to audit the key data points required for your STP submission. It is vital to run these checks early, because if the data isn't represented correctly, the employee record will trigger an error during the filing process. Let's look at a practical example. By running a configuration report for permanent address details, we can verify the information required by the ATO. By using a test variant, we can quickly identify any employees with incomplete records. For instance, if an employee is missing their state field, the system automatically highlights it. This allows the payroll team to fix the records before the final STP submission file is ever generated. Beyond basic data integrity, the primary benefit of this solution is year-to-date reconciliation. Once payroll has processed the results and updated the data clusters, you can run the reconciliation report. The report identifies against all ABNs, total gross amounts, and the individual wage types that comprise those totals. This transparency allows employers to quickly identify and resolve any year-to-date discrepancies at a glance. These reports can be run in both live mode or test mode. The aim of these reports is to help validate that the STP results are reporting the correct data. On these reports, you can drill down into the result to view individual employees and even down to wage type levels. This helps with tracking down any issues. You can see that there is a $31,000 difference here. It would be then possible to find the employees with the issue by scrolling up. That's just a quick look at Easy STP. There is a lot more to the solution though, and it is always evolving with new requirements. A new update will include enhancements for payday super reporting. Benefits include faster implementation and risk reduction through native SAP security. It offers compliance confidence, always updated for the latest legislation, and operational efficiency by making reconciliation a per pay period process, not a year-end crunch. The entire solution has been designed to streamline the STP process. Thanks for listening. We are committed to partnering for payroll success and creating a positive impact with our customers.